Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send an encrypted email on GoDaddy. So before we start, of course, the first thing that you would like to do is just go and open whatever browser you are going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go into this URL section, simply type godaddy.com and hit the enter button. Of course, that should take you into this page. And if you're facing any issues with the language, as I faced in my first time in this website, you'll have to scroll down until the bottom of it and make sure to change the country or region, which will change the language with it. Of course, if you want even to change the currency, that will be possible. So now you will have to go back and log in into your account if you have one. And if you don't have an account, you'll have to go and create one. Of course, you will be able to do both options. At this top right corner option, you will find the option to create or even log in into your account. Once you did one of those two options, you'll find yourself on this screen, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on on GoDaddy website. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, you would like to send an encrypted email on GoDaddy. So of course, if you want to do that, you will have to send an encrypted message with advanced email security. Of course, you can do that with the Microsoft 365. You can just click on your name right here, and if you are not signed in to Office, or which is Microsoft's basically, you will have to first of all sign in into it. Of course, just go and sign in into it and enter your Microsoft account. Not going to be that hard to do. And of course, with that Microsoft, all the messages in your organization are automatically encrypted and you don't need to do anything differently. However, when sending to recipients outside of your organization, you'll need to take an extra step to encrypt messages that where the advanced email security add-ons comes in, of course. And once you advanced email security account is set up, you will have to automatically have a filter to send encrypted email by including encrypt in the subject line. You only need to do this if you are sending to an external recipient, like maybe a customer with an email address not on your organization's domain. So let's say what you should add, of course, in the subject line is just this, not this one, sorry, yeah, this, and simply type ink ripped and do the same again. Sorry, I'm missing one letter. So yeah, you should write this in the subjects line and you will actually send an encrypted email if you are going, of course, to send to someone like a customer, as we said, outside your organization. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.